Hi there, let's talk about Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop today. This laptop comes with a 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 display to enjoy clearer, sharper images. The laptop has 250 ppi brightness to give you crystal clear viewing experience of all content. This laptop comes with an 8GB DDR4 RAM so you can multitask smoothly with everyday applications like Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. You also get a 256GB SSD storage capability. You can comfortably store your game files, video content and large application files. The laptop features HD camera and privacy shutter which is perfect for meetings and class. This laptop comes with one USB A 2.0, two USB A 3.2 Gen 1, one headphone and mic combo jack 3.5mm, one HDMI 1.4 and one 4-in-1 media reader. The laptop weighs 1.65 kilograms, which makes it easy to carry. No need to charge this laptop for it has 6 hours of battery life. This laptop comes with two built-in 1.5 watt with Dolby audio processing providing an enhanced multimedia experience. The laptop comes with 1 year's on-site warranty. Thank you.